All right, I'm calling with Texas Marijuana Liberty. We're fighting tyranny on the front lines in Austin, fighting for medicinal marijuana in Texas. Now, I know you know...
How much pot have you smoked today?
Just a limited amount, medicinally, though.
Yeah.
Of course.
No. My whole issue is I'm for decriminalization, but I've seen marijuana really turn a lot of people into jellyfish. I know it has incredible medical usages. I'm for decriminalization. I'd like to see it decriminalized. The problem is, under a lot of state laws, they're just making you a ward of the state, and you're waiving your rights to get medical marijuana, so it's worse than buying it illegally because the laws had already been reduced. You understand that? The globalists aren't going to push for decriminalization unless it's actually something worse. Do you see what I'm saying?
How do you become a ward of a state?
Well, I mean, they make you sign forms in most states to become a medical marijuana user, and then you waive a lot of your rights. You put yourself in a database. You basically sign up saying you're a drug addict, and they can come in your house whenever they want when you do it.
Oh, yeah, well, I'm not for that, but obviously there's a lot...
No, I'm for complete across-the-board decriminalization. Don't sell it to under 21 years of age. Make it like alcohol.
Right, so this is the only way that we see it happening in Texas as far as a public awareness campaign, similar to what you're doing, except with, for medicinal marijuana through the use of YouTube until they try to shut us down. And we're going to continue to fight through the internet, and we're doing a talk at Brave New Books, April 25th at 7 p.m. to inform more people. Because you're aware they already have the tax stamp in Texas, correct?
Yes. I mean, listen, I'm for decriminalization. I appreciate your call. My holy grail is not decriminalizing marijuana. My holy grail is pointing out that narcotics, heroin and cocaine and methamphetamine, to a lesser extent, are shipped into the country by C-130s and other aircraft and offloaded at military bases and private corporate reservations, and then are laundered through the big banks to the tune of $500 billion a year. That's mainstream news. And that it's all a facade and a joke when the cops take somebody to jail for cocaine or something, when the government's shipping it in. So I'm against the big banks getting the drugs, making them illegal at the end of alcohol prohibition so they can have a new business. Because then it lets them control organized crime, the money laundering, everything. That's why I'm for decriminalization. I'm not for using drugs. The same big banks are pushing all these drugs on kids in school.
We're on the march. The
prescription drugs.
Run.
They're pushing the prescription drugs.
Alex Jones and the GCN Radio Network.